Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and it is that time of the month again. I'm a little bit late in getting this top 10 video out for May, but it's kind of on purpose. I'm waiting a little bit longer to get these videos out just to try to make sure that I have all the data for the prior month. So, anyway, I'm going to try to keep this video as condensed and as short as possible. So let's just dive right in. All right, we have April. These are the April results, and now going to the month of May. Here we go. Coming in at number 10 is Steven from Pennsylvania at 86,154. And then we have Jesus from California coming in at number 9 at 89,000. We have El Teo from New Jersey coming in at 90,000 at number 8. Julian from Pennsylvania coming in at number 7 at 100,000. We've got Rajesh, probably pronouncing that wrong, I apologize, from North Carolina coming in at 104,000 at number 6. And then we have a three-way tie for number 5. We've got Alfredo from Portugal. We've got Engelbert from New York and Meerkat from Wyoming coming in at 110,000. All of them tied for 5th place. Congratulations. And then we have Ya from Ontario, Canada coming in at number 4 at 120,000. And then rounding out the top 3, we have Shane from California at 169,280. We've got, I'm not going to try to pronounce this name. I apologize. Instead of butchering it, you know what? I'm going to try it. Ashintia in Illinois at 180,000, coming in at number 2. I really apologize for butchering your name. And then rounding out, coming in at number 1, we've got David from the United Kingdom at a whopping $1.2 million. So, been seeing a lot of $1 million plus payouts. Amazing. Congratulations. If you made it on the top 10 list here, or if you made it on the payout list at all, congratulations. Well done. And it's pretty amazing. I mean, I know Apex has their issues sometimes. I think we've all gone through some of those, the changes, but what other prop firm offers this kind of potential return on investment? Looking at April, looking at March, like it's kind of crazy. Congratulations, very well done. And now going into the 20, this is the top 10 list for the year of 2025 only. This is only this year. Top 10 for this year. We have John rounding out the top 10, coming in at number 10. John in California for 439,000. We've got Muhammad from Malaysia coming in at 500,000. Coming in at number 8, we've got Vincent in New York at 570,000. Coming in at number 7, we have Rubali from the Philippines, 579,000. Then we have Anonymous from Rockwall, Texas, coming in at number 6 at 712,000. And then the top 5, all of them now over $1 million. Jose from Colombia at 1.39 million. Coming in number 4 is David from the United Kingdom, 1.396 million. And then John from New York, 1.67 million. And then rounding out the top 2, Man Beer at 2.68 million. And then we have Kyle from Florida coming in at a whopping $2.85 million payout for the year of 2025. And if I just scroll down through here, I mean, there's a lot of names that are over 100,000. That's awesome. Congratulations. Very well done. And like I said, I don't know another prop firm that offers that where you can get this kind of return on investment. And I know you got to jump through some hoops. Apex might have a couple more rules than some other prop firms, but this here is why they kind of still remain at number 1, or at least a very important prop firm for a lot of people. All right, now just diving into the per month category. Again, we've got May coming in at 15,605 transactions total, 4,700 unique names paid out, and an average payout of 5,387. So again, total payout for the month of May, $25.37 million. So we're seeing pretty standard. I mean, we're down about what, 2.5 million from the month of April, but still over 25 million in payouts for the month of May. And again, if that was one of you, congratulations, very well done. Me personally, hopefully I'll get back on that payout bandwagon here this next month. But that's it. That's the top 10. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you do want to stay tuned, I will go back now and I'll scroll down through the month of May. If you want to find your name, that is what we're going to do now. So thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button and also hit the sub button if you don't mind. If you want to keep seeing these videos, I do appreciate all the support. Thank you very much. And now we're going to go back to May and we're going to slowly scroll down through until we get all the way to the bottom. So here we go. All right. We're back. All right, let's go, boys. Just us now. It's just us. Everybody, 90% of people have now left. 90% of people have now left, so it's just us. Let's scroll down through here. Down through the 55,000. I'm not even sure. I'm trying to remember if I received a payout in the month of May from Apex. I should have checked before I did the video. I think I did. I'm pretty sure I got one payout or two. I don't even know. I'm a little confused, but all right, scrolling down through the 20,000s here. Again, you can pause the video and screenshot your name, send it to your mom or your brother or your sister. Tell them you made it. Hopefully you made it. Scrolling down through the 13,000s. How have your guys' trading been going for the month of May? I guess we're already, this is June 23rd, so we are living in some pretty crazy times right now with World War III just wrapping up and some crazy volatile times that we're living in. So it's a pretty interesting time to be alive. Market volatility picking up again. Me personally, I'm not trading that well. I have not been trading well. I've been kind of in a trading slump the last 3 weeks. Just haven't been able to trade very well. Taking a lot of trades or taking a lot of bad trades. Getting frustrated way too easy. Getting frustrated way too easy is probably my number one issue. Getting frustrated with trades, and then that turns into a tilt session, and it's just no fun at all. No fun at all when you're when you're struggling with trading. It's not fun, but we're gonna get through it, and I'm slowly starting to feel like I'm turning it around. At least I'm trading a little bit better as of late, so hopefully we can keep that up. But hopefully June, I'm hoping we can take at least one payout with our Apex accounts before the end of June, but we'll just have to wait and see how the cookie crumbles. All right, down through the 5,500s now as we keep rolling down through here. Just watching the market. I'm recording this right now at 10:14 p.m. Market's going crazy. Man, I tell you what, this war, supposedly we have peace now, and market's a little bit volatile. Definitely a crazy time to be trading the markets. All right, down through the 3,600s now. Again, it is sorted by dollar amount first, and then it's sorted alphabetically by name. So you're trying to look for your name, you know what your dollar amount and payouts are, you should be able to find it in that order. All right, we got a lot of $3,000 payouts. 28, 2750. All the 2750s are likely, I think that's the 150K accounts, which is what I have. And we got $2,500 payouts, quite a bit of them. Keep on scrolling. Also, I'm going to start posting a screenshot of the top 10. The top 10 for the year and the top 10 for the month of the current month. I'm going to start posting that to my Twitter every month as well. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, and if you're on, X, give me a follow. I'm not that active on it, but every now and then I like to, I troll some people sometimes on it. I like to have some fun on Twitter or X. I always say Twitter, whatever. And a lot of $2,000 payouts here. Lots and lots of $2,000 payouts. I might be scrolling a little bit too fast here. And now down to the 1700s. And now we're at the 1500s. $1,300s. And now down, we're getting close to below 1,000. All right, here we go. $1,000 payouts. Quite a bit of these as well. And now we're below 1,000, down to the 900s. Keep scrolling. And the 630s, 600s. So many names, so many names. All right, down to the 500s. This is the last of it. This is the minimum payout that you can take with Apex, $500. And there you go. That's it. Grand total 25 million. That is it, folks. Again, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind, and we will see you again next month. Take care and God bless.